Hey, hope you're having a great day so far, and welcome back. Today is February 24th, Wednesday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, and see how it could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets in the short-term future, before diving into BakerySwap, BAKEBUSD, and see what exactly is going on in this market. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you guys enjoyed the content, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit of $100 US, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculation opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. But I try my best to get to as many of them as possible. Now, see what exactly is going on in this market. First, most importantly, I do take a look into Bitcoin dominance. It tells me what the money could be trending into. Would it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither? I've already done a more extensive post on Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action and how that could affect the altcoin markets in the short-term future, especially when it's dumping, on my previous post today. If you guys are interested in seeing more detail, you guys can check out my post earlier today. But right now, we do have Bitcoin dominance down about 0.5%. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action down about 1%. Total altcoin market cap actually have a slight positive gain here. Now, this is the the downside of Bitcoin dominance trending downwards, okay, where I will usually see total altcoin market cap not being as affected by Bitcoin price action pullbacks, okay. Now, I usually emphasize Bitcoin dominance to trend downwards, which is more ideal for altcoin price action, as we are seeing some of that right now. However, on the daily time frame for Bitcoin dominance here, we do have a bigger bullish pattern that's developing and could be playing out, which is an inverse head and shoulders pattern. And if this price action actually plays out, this pattern actually plays out, Bitcoin dominance likely to actually continue, will actually change course and go back upwards. Not as ideal for the altcoin price action, because the upside of Bitcoin dominance trending upwards, I will usually see Bitcoin price action leading that in gains ahead of total altcoin market cap. On the downside of Bitcoin dominance trending upwards, I will usually see total altcoin market cap being more affected by Bitcoin dumps, okay, as we have seen yesterday, okay, when Bitcoin price action was dumping and altcoins were dumping harder. Okay, so these are the upsides and downsides of Bitcoin dominance trending upwards, I usually see. And right now, there is a bullish pattern here for Bitcoin dominance. So if this actually happens, those two scenarios I would more likely to be seeing, which is not as favorable for the altcoin price action. Let's go ahead and go to Bitcoin price action here and see what exactly is going on. Bitcoin price action here being supported by the daily 21 MA. If this price action does not, if that key support does not hold, next level of support I'll be looking at will be the 45K area. If that support does not hold, we do have the daily 50 MA. Now, please do refer to my earlier post today for the bearish signals I am seeing on Bitcoin price action. Okay, I do think Bitcoin is the market leader right now, and I should be putting my focus here. But before actually looking into any altcoin setups. Okay, do take a look into my earlier post today on the monthly bearish signals there, because that could affect the altcoin setups and price action. Let's go over to BAKEBUSD and see what exactly has gone on in here. Now, this coin has just came out of the market about February 19th. Okay, so not even more than 7 days ago. Okay. So price action has went from about 50 cents here to about $6 in a matter of hours. Now price action has formed a falling wedge pattern. Now falling wedge patterns are bullish patterns. However, within the pattern itself, it could get pretty steep on the way down before reversing, if it reverses. Okay. Also want to be taken into consideration of if this coin could also be possibly affected by any Bitcoin pullbacks as well. Even though it's new in the market, could it still be affected just like a lot of the altcoins in the market? Okay, that I also want to take into consideration of, even though it looks like we have a bullish pattern here. Now, falling wedge patterns are, according to Thomas Bukowski and his website, thepatternSite.com, it's a 68% chance of it breaking upwards. Okay. If it actually does break upwards, we do have the measure target here, which is taken by the opening of the pattern, which is about $3, just to be even and easier math, and about $1.60. So that's a difference of about $1.40, and then adding it back on top of the expected breakout points. I'm going to choose this point as the expected breakout point, which is February 27th, 8 o'clock UTC, because it will also take into consideration of as close as I can get here to breaking above this fib level at about $2.05. Okay. The 0.382 fib level right here, if I choose this breakout point, it would take into consideration of as close as I can get here, breaking above this resistance level. It's going to be a very small difference, okay, between the breakout point and that fib level. So something to be watching out for. If that does happen, I do have a measure target here of about $2.02. Let's just say $2 to be even. Adding back the difference of the opening of the pattern, that would give me the measure target of about $3.40. Measure targets are theoretical approximate targets only, may actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Of course, the backdrop here, also want to take into consideration, could this coin be affected by Bitcoin pullbacks as well? Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, price action breaks above this top trend line here and go towards its measured targets. Okay. Bearish case scenario here, price action breaks its bottom trend line. The next level of key support I'll be looking at would be this 0.786 fib level, currently about $1.05 in that area. Okay. If it actually breaks this bottom trend line later, it looks like this price action could still keep a falling wedge shape intact. However, if it actually does break out sooner, it looks like it could still keep maybe a descending channel pattern intact instead of a falling wedge pattern instead. Okay, but either way, it does seem like I would just have to adjust the bottom trend line to see where this price action would actually form, or would it actually keep this original shape, a falling wedge shape, intact. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I love to hear them. Hope you match your risk carefully, and if you'd like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.